everyone, good morning and welcome to a new video. It's almost 11 a.m. and I'm all set. I'm gonna get my hair color today. The shade I'm going for is quite risky. I'm not sure how it'll turn out. I hope it turns out well. Hello, I am back. This guy particularly gave me a very natural look because he knew कि मुझे थोड़ा experimentation से डर लगता है. So he was like, "नहीं, it will give you a very natural look," and I'm very glad that it turned out well. I'm pretty happy. Also, one good thing about taking your own color is that if the color is left, like मेरा ये थोड़ा सा color बच गया है. So I'm probably gonna reapply when this fades. I think after 8 or 10 washes or maximum 12 washes is gonna fade away. So I'm gonna reapply. It's pretty easy. I'm just gonna take my brush and like reapply on the whatever because pre-lighting is already done. So